Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to do like kickflips. Just because a lot of people are just like, oh yeah, so you just pop and you just slide up and off. Oh yeah, it's just so easy, then you just have to catch it right there. Easy. It's not so easy, and I know that. So you're just gonna, yeah, it's like a better way to do it. You're just gonna put your fingers the same way. Put it flush with the back, and then about 1mm off. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna roll up, pop, and just pull your hand backwards so you get that flip. And then you'll usually catch it like in between, like one finger on the bolts and then one finger like kind of off like that. But that's alright because you're just starting. So I'm probably not gonna land it first try. Nope, that's terrible. There we go. So yeah.